Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction of the Portmore Resilience Park. Now this park is scheduled to open in August, so we'll see if they are on track for that deadline. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the park. The construction of the Portmore Resilience Park in St. Catherine marks a bold and visionary step by the Jamaican government to enhance climate readiness, social infrastructure, and urban quality of life in the fast-growing municipality of Portmore. With a price tag of Jamaican $4.4 billion, this project is more than a park. It is a statement of national commitment to sustainability, community wellness, and long-term urban development. As one of the largest and most ambitious recreational projects ever undertaken by the state in Jamaica, the Portmore Resilience Park reflects both environmental responsibility and social progress. Located on 26 acres of land in the Portmore town center, the project is being fully funded by the government of Jamaica without reliance on international loans or external grants. Construction officially began in February 2024, shortly after a groundbreaking ceremony led by Prime Minister Andrew Holness. The project is being executed by PaveCon Limited and is expected to be completed by September 2025. It comes at a significant time in Portmore's evolution, as the parish was officially designated Jamaica's 15th parish in February 2025. I don't think that is officially yet. It's going to become the 15th parish. This park is therefore intended to be a new civic centerpiece, a symbol of resilience, modernity, and community empowerment. What sets the Portmore Resilience Park apart is its deliberate design around climate-smart and sustainable infrastructure. The development includes solar-powered lighting, rainwater harvesting systems capable of storing up to 75,000 gallons, stormwater retention features, and the use of recycled and drought-resistant materials. These green features are not just environmentally responsible, they are educational. The inclusion of a climate change tower equipped to monitor temperature, wind speed, rainfall, and air quality will provide real-time environmental data for schools, researchers, and the general public, making the park a living classroom for climate awareness. The park will feature a wide range of amenities designed to support physical activity, family recreation, and social engagement. These include a 700-meter jogging trail, outdoor fitness stations, basketball, tennis, and pickleball courts, and a multi-purpose indoor sports facility that can host netball, volleyball, badminton, and table tennis. Additionally, there will be concession stands, a covered concert pavilion, public restrooms, and landscape green areas for leisure and cultural events. The park also includes a designated area for a transportation hub and a modern automated car park management system, underscoring its role as both a social and logistical anchor in Portmore. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, have a good day.